Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kids of all ages, we got this little thing in here from China a lot quicker than I thought we would. And That's the ESC for this, electronic speed controller. And what I got it hooked up to is this acts like a RC controller. And it just basically does the same thing as an RC controller. I got it hooked up to a 24 volts on my power supply. So we're going to check whether this thing's going to do what we want it to at the voltage that we're going to put it to. Now this thing does have a BEC on it, battery eliminator circuit, so it'll produce the 5 to 6 volts that receiver needs. Now I also bought this right here, which is a 3 amp BEC, which is going to have to run, and really this is the only one that needs it, so I really don't even need this. I didn't know this one had it on it, so that's pretty cool. So no further ado here, get a little indicator here of what we're doing if we are successful. So we got 24.6 volts. It's holding at 1376. Now, you can see how slow the motor will go, or you come to a stop and go back the other way. Now on the controller, I'll be able to set endpoints where it only just goes here to here. That steering should be more than fast enough. Now we're going to look at the amperage that it's pulling. We can put that on low. And you're talking about now that's clamping power. That's what's holding this in position. It's not, but you can't turn it anyhow. That's like 100 milliamps, 83 milliamps. So, and it's got one spot in there where it goes high, and then another spot where it's kind of probably a bind in the gearbox that you're seeing that. Yeah, it's got one little high spot there. But it'll immediately go in the other direction. And that goes to endpoint. That's preset on this. I don't detect any heat out of this, and this thing is super strong. There's just no damn way you're going to hold it. So I feel pretty good about this, but if I can make it where the motor clears, then you can actually go to reverse, where you could actually reverse it up and then spin it back the other way. Obviously, if you keep going around, you're going to wind your wires up. So I don't suggest that on your controller. Once I show you how to do it, you'll be able to set an endpoint to here and an endpoint to here. So that's full lock this way, full lock that way, and I'm using a pistol grip for throttle. Forward, I'm not going to have a reverse on the motor. It's going to be throttle only, forward only. But I think doing 90 degrees and 360 roundy rounds, you're not going to need reverse. So, but that's it right now. You can see the clamping on it is only 20 milliamps. So that is just awesome. This little controller that I got from China, it's 15 amps. This thing will never use 15 amps. Just absolutely wonderful. It is a perfect little item for this particular application. It is light, compact. It'll handle up to 30 volts. We're only using 24. So this is just like the perfect thing for this, because you'll be able to do full lock either direction. And it's going to be proportional too, because you'll be able to just turn it a little bit back and forth. You'll be able to have really precise control over it, and that's really important. So yeah, nice item. Worked very well. Highly recommended. Highly recommend this if you're doing any kind of robotics or anything like that, because it works on brush motors. It'll actually work on this motor here too. And I know this one's going to pull a little bit more juice than the other one, but I'm still saying it'll pull it. We'll see the amperage. You could buy one of these for that too. I already had the other one, and I had plans for it on a real sensitive forward and reverse. So let's see how this works. Oh, shit. I hope I didn't damage that damn thing. And now you see, so that's only pulling 140, I think. All right. So they make a higher amp one. I hope I didn't heat this thing up. No, it's good. That's a nice little unit right here. It really is. And my dumb ass almost burned it up by hooking it up backwards, but it didn't seem to hurt it. But I definitely don't recommend it. Franklin, Gracie, where you at, baboos? What you do-do-do's doing? Where they at? But absolutely cool. We got the deck done. We got it sprayed, undercoated. We're gonna get on to mounting the motor. I've been working on that. I just got this in really quickly. And I'm going, what the heck? It didn't take long. They shot it right on out to me. Good folks to deal with. Damn. That's a nice unit right there. That's going to do an excellent job. And hey, Frankie Boo. And like I said, all this is just a servo tester is really all it is. So, yep, nice unit. Works great. We're proceeding. We got our chain. We got our master link. We've been soldering some stuff up today, so hey, everything's working good, looking good too. So it's coming around. So the other unit's not going to need. The receiver's going to need power. The power's going to, but that's going to produce enough power to control what I got to control because it's just a small servo and the ESC. So, all right, guys, hit like and subscribe. And like I said, there's some of the motor stuff there I've got done so far. I'm working on that really hard, but I got a lot of stuff I'm doing right now. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hit that bell up there so you can keep updated on this project. And y'all have a good day.